Good morning, sixth graders, or good afternoon, because you'll see this afternoon. Some of you are ready to go on to the next step for nonfiction text features Keynote. This is just a fake Keynote real quick so that I can show you the next steps. I'm assuming you already have all 5 of your text feature pictures taken, that you've given the name of the text feature and a description of what the text feature is. And then over here you have your photo of yourself pointing at your text feature from Photo Booth. Use your elbow partners if you get stuck. I don't want people running around the room, okay? Next steps. We are actually going to take this and turn it into a video. So your goal today is to make this look like the best video there is. You want each of your slides to be a different color. So when you click on a slide, you can go into Inspector, and when you are in Inspector, the second symbol is Slide. Click on the box that says Appearance, and then down here you're going to, it was on Image Fill, and you're going to change it to either Color Fill or Gradient Fill. You can pick and play around with them and decide. Color Fill, you go here and you click on the color that shows up, and you can choose another color. You can use, I like the color crayons the best that come up. Gradient Fill, you click on the top color and you pick a color, and then you click on a bottom color and you pick another color to go with it. That's kind of fun too. If you click on the arrow right next to it, it flips them. See how it changed my photo? Okay, so you're going to go and change every one of your slides so that they have a color fill or a gradient fill, your choice. You got to click on the box, click on the color. Okay, I'm not going to go do each one right now, but you just hit pause on the video and you go do that right now, okay? Alright, now I'm assuming you have all your colors changed so it looks cool. Next, we need to add a transition. A transition is that it goes from one slide to the next, to the next, to the next. So back to the inspector. Transition is also the slide button, but this time we're on transition. Pick an effect. This is one of the times that you want a different effect on every single one. So go to each box, pick another effect. Oh wait, can't use magic move. I've learned that before, sorry. Object push. You're going to pick one for each one. Your decision, you decide. Okay? Hit pause until you have all those done and then come back to the video. Alright, now that you have a transition on each one, the thing is, as a movie, when you watch YouTube, your movie doesn't just go on and wait for you to hit click. It goes on and gone by itself. So we have to make a change. Click on your first slide, and instead of saying on click, we say automatically. And that way it will automatically move on. So as you go to each of your slides, start transition automatically. Got that? Okay, hit pause, go fix those. All right, next thing, now that you're back, the next thing is we want to do builds. That's the way the different words come in and the picture comes in. So we're still in Inspector, but this time we're moving to the third one. It's called the Build Inspector. We're doing build-ins to start with. Click on the text, and then it becomes a choice. Pick an effect. Kind of like anvil. Click on the next box, pick an effect. Okay? Do that for every single text box and every single title and every single photo on all your pages. Okay? Pause me. Go do that. All right, now that you have a build on every single one, we need those builds to happen all by themselves. So you click down here where it says More Options, click on the title, and say Automatically after the transition. Click on the bullets, automatically after the build. Okay, that way it goes all by itself. When you get to the one with the boards, with the pictures, let me get one in there for the title and one in there. Okay. Now notice over here in the builds it put it out of order. All I have to do is pick it up. Now it'll do my title first, then my bullets, then my picture. Okay. Each one of them doesn't want to be on click. They want to be on automatically. And I just automatically make it automatically after the last thing. Okay. Now you go work on that piece. All right. Ready for the last step. The last one is builds out. Build in is the way it comes into the page. Build out is the way it leaves the page. So you click on your title, make sure you've clicked on build out, pick a way you want it to go away, click on the next text box, click on how you want it to go away. And yes, you're right, these need to be done automatically. All right, go work on that feature, and that is all I have for you today. But I bet you're going to struggle to get that far. All right, good luck.